How to connect hands-free wireless Bluetooth headset with Windows 11 computer. And I'm going to show you how to enable this particular headset or a headset that's similar to the one that you're seeing right now. Show you how to get it into pairing mode. Let's get started. So first things first, dive into the main settings of your Windows 11 computer or laptop and head over to where it says Bluetooth and devices. And once you click on that there, you'll want to turn on the Bluetooth settings first, that right there. So go over to where the switch is. If there's not a switch, check the device manager section and see if the Bluetooth adapter needs to be enabled. So once it's turned on, you'll see it says discoverable as your computer name, and you want to click on where it says add device. As you do that, you'll see the window opens up and you want to click on the first option that says Bluetooth and go ahead and get your headset, your hands-free headset. And this headset in particular is a single button headset. So that button will be your on and off, answer and call, and also get it into pairing mode. So while in the off state, you're going to hold it down and don't let go that button until it starts to blink in red and blue. So hold it until you see that right there. When you see that, you can let go that button and it's now in the pairing mode state. So from here on, just pay attention to your computer screen and look for the name of that headset. Mine is the B1S, and check your manual guide to see what's the name of it. And you'll see the name of it show up there. Then click on it. It's going to show you that it's connecting and it's going to tell you it's ready to go. Then you'll see the device up here, battery percentage. The Windows 11 layout is all different now. And of course, there's some options here such as disconnect or remove device. If you click on the volume panel icon to the bottom right, you'll be able to toggle where the audio comes out from. So you can actually use that headset as a audio output device. So you can actually listen to music or hear audio with it, okay, as you click on that there. If these options are not there for some odd reason, you can head over back to this section here and click on where it says System. And once you click on System, you'll click on Sound. As you click on that, it'll take you to this section here where you can choose the output, meaning that you can switch where the audio is coming out from. Once again, whether it's through the headset or the computer speakers. Then there's the input section. If you want to use it as a mic, you'll want to switch over to the headset option here. You can also control the volume there. Like, sub. Thanks for watching.